trying to get that 200. You're trying to get that 200. You got 2 more frames to try to get it. I need to close this one out to make it easy for the 200. I have to close this out. If I don't pick this up, I have to actually go for the last one. Woo! Still kind of close, right? I need to bowl a high number on the last roll so it can say, give me my 200. Well, we don't need no split, though. We don't need no split. That's what we need right there. That's what we need. That's what we were looking for. So yeah, I was saying, hell yeah, bro. Thank you very much. Hey, Ben the Bowler, thank you for dropping your link. As y'all see, Ben the Bowler got 22 subscribers. He's new. So let's help him get 10K. I'm glad you dropped your link so people can show you some love. Said, knock them to another planet. Hey, I know, right, Jay? We got a 202, so we made it to the 200 game.